Hello guys, so this is the start of a new career because now I'm gonna be all up in your faces.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kim of Glamlookbykem. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria and a YouTuber. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. But if you're a returning subscriber, you're a darling. You're the reason I'm here. Thank you for coming back. So today I'll be transforming this gorgeous dark skin friend of mine into a baddie. A lot of you have been asking for a makeup transformation on a dark skinned person, and finally I answered. Yes, I answered, guys. So I already cleansed her face using the micellar water, and I'm using this moisturizer from Mismetics, which I'm massaging gently into her skin. Yes, and makeup, the prep part is the most important for me because this goes a long way to tell how your makeup is going to turn out. It's more like you're breathing in house. The foundation part you get right. Yes, if the foundation is not properly laid, the house tends to collapse. So I went ahead to mix my foundations in Huda Beauty and Milani to get her shade. And after that, I went ahead to use my Pro Concealer Orange Corrector to apply as her blush. So right here, I'm using a Pro Concealer, the darkest shade, to contour her face because she is dark, guys. And I love her color. I enjoyed this tutorial because her skin is so flawless, guys. Yeah, so right here I'm highlighting using Fawn and Toffee, as these were the two concealers I used, and I'm blending it in. You guys already know I use like two shades, the lighter one outside and the darker one inside. So this is me blending. Please, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. I wouldn't be here without you guys. So I'm already done blending, and here I'm using my sacha to set. Yes, I didn't use Mirac in this video because I'm yet to get the Mirac that's for the dark skinned. Yes, but I would do that soon because their products are nice. So this is me still setting her face with the sacha. And right here, I'm using the Make Color Contour Palette, or rather the powder palette, to contour her face. I used the darkest shade, as you could see. So I'm using the House of Tara blush. Guys, this blush is the bomb. I've had it for a while, and it serves me. So right here, I'm just applying a bit. I just don't want to do too much, because I believe when beating a dark-skinned person, you should just do less. Less is more, if that makes sense to you. But for me, though, I just prefer having them with a soft glam. So right here, I'm contouring her nose using the same powder palette, the mid color, and I'm trying to do a reverse contour for the nose. So we could just snatch it up. We're having a soft glam, but we just need to slay, guys. So right here, I'm using my pencil to fill in her brows, and I added a bit of my black gel liner because the Davis wasn't dark enough. So I mixed it to get what I want. So, and I did my brows behind the camera because I already have a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows. So do also watch it. I would add the link in my description box, so don't forget to watch it as well. So I used the Juvia's Place as my transition color. I already showed you guys the color I used earlier, and I'm just blending. And I'm not being harsh. If you could see closely, I was just holding my brush faintly, so I don't press. Yes, that's one thing in makeup. You still have to learn how to hold your brushes as well. So here I went ahead to use my concealer as her base for the eyeshadow, and I'm using my finger, sorry guys, to blend it well. So after that, I went to use my House of Tara Queen Amina, if I'm not mistaken, a kind of gold shade. Like I said, it's a soft glam, so I just wanted something really soft, a gold shade to apply, and I'm still using my fingers to do that as well. I just didn't want to use brush at this point. So guys, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please do well to share to your family, friends, fools, everyone out there. Please share this channel. Thank you. So I went ahead to use the same brush I used earlier to apply her transition color, and I used a deep brown to soften in the gold on the outer part, and I'm using a black shadow, but I'm not applying it directly. I'm just applying it on the eyeliner lane, if that makes sense. Yes, and after that I used a brush to blend it out. I wanted a smoky, but not a deep smoky. I just wanted something more like a fox smoky. Yes, guys, please don't mind my voice, guys. I'm down with a bit of flu. So here I went in with Glamlookbykem lippy in Mamand and a concealer for her lippy, and I blended it in using my brush, and I mixed the concealer as well. So guys, if you've not shopped from us, please go to my Instagram page at Glamlookbykem and send us a DM to shop. Thank you. So I also went ahead to use our brown lippy in Yima, but right here I realized that Yima wasn't dark enough. Like this babe is dark, guys, and I love her color. Like I love her color. So I added a bit of what's it called, a black gel liner. I know it's strange, right? But yes, it did the job for me, and we did it. Added a bit of gloss, and we're ready. Here I'm using my highlighter. Like I said, dark skinned girls don't need much, so I didn't just want to do the whole glow like like the bulb. So I just added a bit, something to just soften it up a bit to awaken the cheek, and I went in with this other highlighter, but I was still so conscious of applying it lightly. So guys, we're ready. What do you think? Please drop a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get